This week we're going to take a look at a preview of the August 12th USDA crop production report by looking at changes in the yield and the price on the day the report is released. We're also going to take a look at updated crop conditions and progress, as well as short-term weather trends. As a side note, if you haven't seen the recent interview of Advanced Trading CEO Lee Blank, there's a link available for you in this video's description section. Be sure to check it out. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the corn market. We moved into the month of August and this market remains historically volatile. Speaking of volatility, what we want to do now is briefly preview the August 12th crop production report from the USDA. This will be the first survey-based estimate of yields for 2021. Let's take a look at the change in that yield from July to August in that report, as well as the associated price change on the day that the report is released. There's two parts of this chart here. The bar part of this chart is the change in yield from July to August, and the blue line is the associated change in December corn futures on the day that the report is released. Here's the key message, a lot of moving pieces there. Look at that blue line. The blue line change is the volatility in the market. Now, there's no guarantee that there will be a volatility associated with this report. However, historically, there has often been volatility seen. So we really strongly encourage you to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to have your strategy in place prior to the release of the report. Let's now look at U.S. crop conditions for corn. Now we're looking at a slight deterioration of 2 percentage points in the good to excellent rating this week. The vast majority of that deterioration occurred in the western corn belt. The only state that saw an improvement versus the previous week in good to excellent was South Dakota. However, as we move further east, we did see unchanged to improved conditions in states such as Illinois, Wisconsin, Indiana, and Ohio. The only state, in fact, in the eastern corn belt that deteriorated was in Michigan. Let's look at the historical U.S. corn crop condition index. We did see that condition index fall to a season low this past week. Now, it's still above, again, where the market was in 2017 and 2019. However, it is significantly below the last few years. That can still change over the month of August, and we'll monitor that for you closely. Let's now look at U.S. corn silking progress. It's winding down now. For the first week in August, we're usually approaching 100%, and I think we'll be very close to that this year. Let's now take a look at short-term weather trends. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. We're starting out here looking at a change in weather patterns, specifically looking at a change to warmer temperatures from August 5th through the 11th as we get warmer temperatures sweep in northwest to southeast. We're also looking at a change in rainfall patterns. Looking at Thursday through Saturday in that northern part of the Midwest, we do see some potential for rainfall moving in there. Now we're extending that into Sunday through Tuesday. Again, most of the rainfall associated in that northern area over that time period. And now we're looking at next week, August 11th through the 13th. We're looking at scattered rainfall, but heavier amounts of a ½ inch to 1.5 inches. So it looks like as we move into the first half of August here, the market may be looking at a wetter weather pattern. Let's wrap things up this week looking at changes in December corn futures. We look at this slide regularly. We'll continue to do so. Notice that the December 2021 futures price is at the highest level for early August since 2012. So again, strongly encourage you to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor on your marketing strategy. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to never miss an upload. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.